I'm Michael Crossan with Consumer Reports, and we're here at the 2025 New York Auto Show. Behind me is the all-new 2026 Honda Passport. It has all new style, it's been totally redesigned, but it's not just looks, it actually has some substance there. Honda's saying that you get a stiffer chassis, beefed up suspension, and a bunch of new gadgets. Let's check it out. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is back, but it gets 5 extra horsepower, and new for this is the 10-speed automatic transmission with Honda's all-wheel drive system that has torque vectoring that allows the power to go to the wheels that have grip, no matter what kind of situation you're in. The wheelbase has grown on this new Passport, and that's a great thing. You're going to actually notice that room in the second row in terms of legroom. It's going to be a little bit more comfortable for those passengers, and Honda also says there's more cargo space. Here in person at the show, one thing I really like is the size of the Passport. It's going to fit very nicely between the CR-V and the Pilot. Honda fans will be very familiar and at home in the interior here of the Passport. Same Honda steering wheel that we all really like, no real complaints there. Really classic AC controls, all very easy to use. Push button shifter, again, I don't love those, but this one, it works pretty well. It's really hard to complain about. Overall, it's very classic Honda in here. The fit and the finish is exactly what you expect. We have 2 choices of screen, 10.2 and the optional 12.3 inch. This vehicle does have the larger screen here. And buyers will rejoice in the fact that we get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard on all levels. Honda's shaking up the trim lines on the Passport. The EXL is gone. It's being replaced by the RTL, and behind me is the Trail Sport with all of its off-roady bits. And of course, you know us at Consumer Reports. We're going to be buying one of these for our test fleet, where we're going to put it through our more than 50 signature tests, and we will bring you all those results on cr.org.